So the my account page, my account test case we are writing. That's my account test case. Do logout is done. Okay, where are we? Verify my account menu option test. This is done. Okay, so now here onwards, I think we need to write page match. Verify my account menu options test. Headers list. Broken links. Okay, from here onwards, we need to start a new test case. So what is the new test case? We can see we'll perform the product search. Okay, let's write that. Perform product search. So, but what are the products you want to search? So that you have to, so give that, maybe data driven, you can do that. So data driven testing, so we can do that. So what are the different so products you want to search? Let's create a, I'm going to remove this. You also keep it. Want to write a data provider to search with the different products. So at the rate, so data provider. So I need to supply for this a product. So that I'm going to write here. So data provider. So name equal to products. So I'm just giving a name for my data provider. Public. So object, two-dimensional array. Product data, some name you can give, any name. So your data provider name you are providing. And then import this, you will have to return that. Return new object two-dimensional array, and you can give so your data. So you can give data inside this. So each curly bracket inside one data. So how many rows you want, right? So one by one data will give. So what are the different products you have? Just you should know what products you are searching, right? Let's see what products we are going to search. See, here are some of the product names you can find. Mac. We go to desktops. We go to home page. Here you can see MacBook, So Apple, right? You can give any name. So different name, we can give that. Let's go and give that name, some of them. Even products also, we can find out what are the different products are there. Here is the MacBook, Mac Air, Sony, and different. You can see different products. Those product names you can provide here in your search. So in your search, you can provide those things. So one is Mac, so this one iMac or MacBook. So these product names you give for your search purpose. Any of these products you can search it. Just give product names. So one is I'm giving MacBook. Second, I'm giving iMac. Third, I will give Samsung. It's up to you. Whatever the product names you want to give, you can give this. Now this data, I need to supply to my test method. So how can you supply? This is only one data. So your parameter also one string product. So that you have to use inside the methods. So this parameter you need to use, but how to map this one and this one, how to map? So right here, data provider. So data provider equal to products. So this is the mapping. But code you need to write here, the code. So let's write the code. Perform product search. So product search for which element, which product. Just give the product. So product name. So which product you are searching. So then, so account page. Do product search. If you do product search, the product name you can provide. So this method is returning. See, this method is returning. It's a return type method. It returns a result space value. So you have to return that results space object. Result or result space. I think result page.
Result page.
Yeah. So this method is returning this page object reference. So just to store that. Okay. So then you verify the result space title, you get it and store in some variable and you can compare it. So maybe you can use so I want to show you here soft assertions. So let me show you one soft assertion. Okay. So string, so actual result space title. So result page dot get title. Dot info. So search results page title is you can just print it. Actual results page. You can asset if you want. So I'm doing a soft asset, new. So let's create a new soft asset. New soft asset. You create object for that. Dot. Why it's not showing? Soft asset. New soft asset. Maybe you need to import it. Let's import that. Yeah. Dot asset equals. So you do the asset equals. So previously we are doing hard assets. Now we are doing a soft asset. So actual page title. And so what is the page title? You can see that. If you go to any page, so MacBook. See, now it is, this is the search-MacBook. So I want to get that page title. Get from here and I'm going to parameterize it. This is the one. So I'm going to parameterize that. So what this I want to remove, because every time the product name will change, right? So I'll append with the product. I'll append with product. We want to do one more soft asset. So asset dot asset to true. This is again hard asset, okay? Result page. So dot. You can do whatever you want. Maybe so you get the product size. Okay, so how many products are there? So get product, get search product size should be greater than 0. Should be greater than 0. So I'm asserting when you perform a search with a keyword, okay, with this keyword, the search results should be greater than 0. It means at least 1 should be there, not 0. So that's how I'm going to assert here. Just give a name product search test. So perform product search test. Okay. Any questions here? That's all about this page, my account page. Other than that, nothing. So let's go and include that and run the test case. And you want to do a logout, right? So you can do a logout. Already we have done in another case. This we can do that logout also. So do logout. Even in my account page also, you have to log out. And test case you can do. So can you go to this? Okay, so that's the total my account page test cases. So let's add this open card dot test case dot so all test cases we can run it. Run this. So this is our login page. Now it will start my account page. First product, second product, and again third product. So I think we have to go to my account page to log out. So that you have to write it. Okay, so once your product search is done, so you need to go back. If you're not going back and it is still here only, right? That's why it is going to, okay, so validation, it is going on. Okay, validation, all the elements validation is going on. One test case, 3 test cases are failed. What are the 3? So we have to see that. Perform product search is failed. Okay, why? So what is the reason? Illegal argument, input must be set, not null. Which line? So do product search and then seven. Okay. Perform search, right? Okay. 107. Yeah, we did a search. Do search. We set. The one we set it already. I'll just give the name. Let me give the name. It came here. What happened? It is failing. Okay, so let's see the report. So let's go. We did a search. Okay, so we didn't go back. So we have to go back. That's what we need to do that. After search, so you have to go back. Okay, so that we'll write it. That's what where we are getting a problems. Let me do that. After this, result space, we got it. Then go back. So you search it, you perform the search. So maybe you can go to this icon. If you click, what will happen? Now we should use the search. I'm just doing some. Okay. Then I should MacBook Air, MacBook Pro. I got 3 products. So this is the one I was validating, greater than 0. Okay. Then I need to use this. Of course, we need to do one browser back button. So let's do the browser back button. So result page dot navigate browser back. Okay, so then that makes sense. It should work. Okay, it should work. And this one we have given 6, and this one we have given 7. I'll give 6 for this. I'll give 7 for this. Seven for this. Yeah, so let's run now. This should work because basically that, and I'll show you how to run through pom.xml also. So pom.xml, see your testng.xml. So in the build section, we have a suite XML files, and that XML file you have to give. So now where is this test in the root directory? So root directory means this is not the path. Just remove that. Just give testng.xml. What is the file name? Testng, all lowercase. You have to give exactly. The file location you have to give, XML file location. Now I will run through pom.xml. So right click, run as, first run as Maven clean, first command you have to do. I'm running through Maven. So then run as Maven install. Maven clean, Maven install. These are the steps you need to remember. So test, that means test case is started now. Just you need to understand the functional flow, then it will be very easy. I think links validation is going on. You can see that links validation is going on. That's why see all the links validation. Okay. So links are done. Now actual, okay. Back is not going. Browser back button is not happening. Why? It should happen, browser back button. Input must be set up. We are giving an input, right? What is the mistake we are doing? Did I do in the double quotes or not 7? Why it's coming to here? Running in the wrong test, what? This is the correct only. Correct only. Let's understand the functional flow. Okay, so then if I click on this, what will happen? It's going to home. This is not the one I want. Browser back button should work. Why it's not working? Browser back button. Okay, so first time it went there. Visual space. Wait again. Okay. Strange. Here we are giving a product search. Input we are giving, but still it is not recognizing. Why? This product. Giving the input. So let's run again because there is no wrong here, but still it's not going back. Browser back button is not working. That's strange. It should work. There is no doubt in that, but somehow it is not happening. The links are executing. Let's see search when it comes to search. Search started. It's not going back. That's wrong. So that is the reason it is failing. Why it is not going back here? What is the other alternative approach? Okay. Still sets only. Then we have to click on my account. That's another option. Go to results page onwards. You have to go to